One of the largest automakers in the United States, Honda Financial, has been slapped with a massive $12.8 million lawsuit. I bet you never thought you'd hear that, right? Honda is being sued? That's crazy. Honda's like the #1 car brand in America. Well, actually, is it number 2 or number 3? It's like Honda, Toyota, and then maybe Nissan and Hyundai, something like that. But nobody expected this to happen. But guess what? I did. I have seen this on thousands of credit reports, and I have to tell people, unfortunately, I can't help you because of the rules and regulations that were written in the COVID Relief Act that kind of sort of protected consumers and the actual lenders at the same time. But before we jump into this video, make sure that you smash that like and subscribe button so this video gets out to more people so everyone can stay informed about this massive lawsuit against Honda. Listen, COVID really destroyed a lot of homes out there. It wasn't about, oh, people don't want to pay their bills or, oh, you're buying things you can't afford. No, people woke up and they had no jobs. That's what happened. And then people had to figure out what they were going to do. Some people got money, some people didn't. Some people got laid off, some people got unemployment, some didn't. It was a massive, really bad show out there for people to literally lose everything. And this was a huge story because I believe this is happening to a lot of other automakers, a lot of actual mortgage lending companies out there that are doing this to consumers, and there has been no legal recourse until this case right here. So regulators order Honda to pay $12.8 million for harming drivers' credit reports. Yes, you heard me, credit reports. So when COVID happened, they had the COVID relief plan out there that you can reach out to your lender and tell them, hey, I'm going through a COVID relief issue, and they would actually give you more time to get caught up, to find a job and start making more money. And they were not allowed to report you late. A lot of Honda and Acura owners out there reached out to Honda and Acura and said, hey, listen, I'm going through a tough time. I need COVID relief. They signed up and Honda's like, yeah, great. We got you logged in. We got you signed up. You're not going to see any issues. You should be perfectly fine. But they lied to 300,000 people. Let's read it exactly as it states it. The CFPB said American Honda Financial deferred some drivers' loan payments during COVID-19 pandemic, only to tell the credit reporting agencies that the drivers were delinquent when they should have been reported as current. And we also saw something very interesting on credit reports that a lot of people in the credit space didn't talk about. They were actually putting affected by natural disaster in the comment section, and that alone was tanking credit scores, which it shouldn't, because that's not a factor to determine your credit score. But in fact, it was dropping credit scores for thousands, possibly millions of Americans out there, and there was no recourse unless you remove the comment. Ask me how I know. I tested it out to see exactly how it would happen and how it would report for my mortgage. And I did not miss a payment. I called them and talked to them about it. Say, hey, listen, if I'm going through a financial issue, can you walk me through the process? Tell me what's going on. They say, yeah, sure. They're like, are you okay? I said, yeah, I'm fine. I just want to get some information to kind of prepare myself in case something does happen to me during these tough times. And they marked my credit report that I was involved in a natural disaster, even though I had not declared that I was. Of course, I got them to fix it immediately, but it tanked my credit score. I should have documented it. I kicked myself in the, you know what, because I didn't document it. I should have screenshotted it and taken pictures, but I did not, because I wanted to resolve the issue as fast as I possibly could. But it happened. So if you are someone out there and you requested deferment and it was granted, and then they reported you late, you need to immediately file a complaint with the CFPB before it doesn't exist anymore, of course, because we don't know what's going to happen with it. Unfortunately, file a complaint with the CFPB and reach out to an actual consumer law attorney about your situation, because if they agreed to it and then they reported you late, that is not okay, and that can turn into a potential lawsuit. Now, this is not legal advice or financial advice, because I'm not an attorney, because every case is going to be different. An attorney is going to want to see that you were actually on time before you reached out to the loan company, because if you actually became late and then you reached out to them, then of course, unfortunately, no attorney wants to take that case. But if you were on time, you reached out to them, say, hey, I need 60, 90 days, and they gave it to you, and you were on time, and then you got caught up, but yet they still reported you late, then I believe you may have a massive case against that loan company. Now, if you were also affected by the situation by Honda, you need to reach out to the CFPB and file a complaint, because if you do not, they may not know know because they're gonna have to go into their database, and who knows if they're gonna actually be able to see all of the people that were affected. The way the story reads is the $12.8 million payment includes a $2.5 million civil fine that doesn't go to the people that are affected, that goes to the CFPB. They make money off of that to continue to do what they do. And then $10.3 million in restitution to drivers. I don't think that's enough, to be honest with you. If you were affected and it affected your credit, you should sue them. I feel like I've turned into the financial news watchdog out here, giving you news that nobody else wants to talk about because they don't want to scare you and tell you the truth. But I'm always going to bring you 100% factual, real news, not driven by mainstream media. But if you are also someone out there and you did this with a credit card, a mortgage company, a car loan company, and they did the exact same thing, file a complaint. Report them to the Better Business Bureau. Throw out everything at them. Reach out to your state attorney general and ask for help from them, because this has serious ramifications. Imagine if you did this with your home mortgage and then you lost your house. Now your credit's destroyed. How are you going to get an apartment if your credit's destroyed? Yeah, exactly. So this has really serious ramifications for people's credit out there, and this is why it's a big deal and why I always bring you these stories. So I hope you enjoyed this video. We covered another big one with Honda being hit with a $12.8 million fine. Now make sure that you watch this next video because it is about a massive lawsuit against Experian that you may want to actually learn about. And if you felt that I brought you some value in this video, make sure that you don't forget and subscribe to increase your credit score.